Good morning, YouTube. Today we got a special surprise for you. First time ever sand drag races here in Marcellus, New York. We are here, got the camera equipment all set up. As you can see on the other side, that's where the pit side is. Over here is spectator. They brought in a food truck. This track right here is 150 feet. So yeah, we got people just showing up now. Some pretty awesome looking trucks over there. You guys will see it in the pictures right now.
One man, one machine, with the desire to win. Shut up and let's race.
Alright, make sure you pay attention to this race. It's gonna be a good one. Left lane wins it. Alright, we've got a rematch. Just switch the lanes. lane down there, and looks like our flag guy is saying left lane, left lane.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been sorbing, make it trendy, we look sexy, it's so icy, icy.
Thank you so much for watching another episode of Camp David. As always, we'll see you on the next one.
Breaking good, life is good. 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을 for better life, for better love. 이제는 나도 두